Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Holland's Classroom, where today we're going to dive into a new chapter of My Math. Of course, this is for kindergarten, so let's go ahead and get started. There's a video that we should probably watch beforehand, and it will help us kind of discuss some of the things that we're going to be looking at in this chapter, okay? So let's take a quick peek, shall we?
Come on, everyone. The Earth needs our help. My sister and I decided that we wanted to help Pete the Earth monkey too. First, we collected as many containers as we could to recycle. Now we have to make sure that we put them in the right place. Can you help us sort by size?
You're going to be large.
The small objects go in the small recycling bin. The larger objects go in the large recycling bin. Let's sort. The water jug is large. It goes in the large bin. The can is small. It goes in the small bin. Isn't recycling fun? We sorted all these containers by size. We helped our Earth by choosing recycling. What else can you do to help the Earth?
Good question. What can we do to help the Earth? Well, let's take a look. All right, so we're going to start in chapter 9, and these are the first few pages that kind of help us figure out how are we going to do things. So on this page here where it says I'm ready on page 533, you are going to do a couple things. They want to just see, do you have the basic skills you need, like drawing an X or drawing an O, like a circle. Because the reason why they do that is because they ask questions like this in number 2, where it says circle the car and draw an X on the tree. And then you're going to need your crayons for this. For number 3, they talk about coloring the truck red. And then they say color the ball blue. And that's a little blue. There you go. And color it blue. And then they want to color the bird yellow. Like that. And then they want you to color the flower purple. Okay. And then, so down number 4, they're starting to get into the nitty gritty. They're asking you to circle the object that is smaller. Now, they're not saying what the object is, they're just saying the object. So there's 2 pictures down there. There's a cat and there's a house. So those are objects. Now, they want you to circle the one that is smaller. So, what do you think? Which one's smaller? Thought so. That was kind of easy. So yeah, the cat is smaller, so you would circle it. Good. Okay. So moving on. Uh-oh. Need to erase everything. Okay, so on the next page, they're talking about math words, vocabulary. So looking at large, small. So if we needed to put something in the large bin, what color is the large bin? Blue. Yep, it's large. Some might even say it's big or tall. Those are words that would describe something that is large. Something that's small, though, in the green. Yeah, you put small things in the green. So go ahead and trace those words once you get acclimated to it. And so here's our vocabulary cards. So you have the word alike, which means that they are like the same. So, or they have similarities. So these items over here, they are not alike because they look different, they're shaped different, they have different traits, characteristics, but these bears are all the same. So that is what alike means. Now, if you look over here, different, that is more of what we're talking about here. Different. So these balls are exactly the same, but different means that they have different characteristics and traits. Okay, then we get down here to shape. So yeah, we know shape means, it's things like circle, triangle, square, that kind of stuff. So we can sort and characterize things by their shape. We can say, oh, these things are all circular, or these things are all triangular. Over here, you could talk about size, like sorting things by big, medium, small, or bigger, biggest type thing. And then sort the word. So like these are not sorted by their shape, but they're sorted by their color. So those are a couple of the things that we want to know from that. Good, good. Okay. And yeah, so look, they even have, you can trace the words back here and cut them out and then use them to learn, like flashcards. Okay, so they have an activity over here that what you guys can do is you can actually like cut this part of your book out if you wanted to, or you could just draw. I've seen people do that where they take like the same color and they just draw the shapes, but like they want you to be able to like organize, how can you sort these out or classify them? Okay, so we'll put the triangles up here and the circles down here. Or maybe you want to do, I'm going to put the small objects up top and the large objects in the bottom. So that's some of the activities that you're going to do on this, and you can even make a little game out of it. They show you how to do that. Oh, and there's the first lesson. We're not going to get there yet, so buckle your seats. Make sure you complete those prior pages to get yourself ready for what we're going to learn because we're about to do this. All right. I will see you all next time, and we're going to do lesson one. All right. But until then, I'll see you later. Bye, everyone.